Good morning, students. So last class we discussed is still here birds. Birds fly in the air and walk on the ground. Some birds like ducks and swans also swim in water. The birds can fly because their bodies are well suited for flying. Their bones are hollow and light. Bones hollow light blue. The bones of the hind limbs are typical for walking and cruising. The bony parts of the forelimbs are modified as wings. The soldier's bones are strong. Soldier bone like strong. The breastbones are modified to hold muscles of flight, which are used to move the wings up and down. down activity 8 to ki make a paper boat. The paper put it in water and push it with one narrow and pointing forward. Did it go into the water easily? Now hold the boat sideways and push it into the water from the broad side. Are you able to make the boat move in water when you push it from this side? Have you noticed that the shape of a boat is somewhat like a fish? The head and tail of the fish are smaller than the middle portion of the body. The body tapers at both ends. This body shape is called streamline or the streamline. The shape is such that water can flow around it easily and allow two fish to move in water. The skeleton of the fish is covered with strong muscle during swimming. Muscle make the front part of the body curve to one side and the tail part swings towards the opposite side. The fish forms a curve as shown in figure 8.24. Then quickly the body and tail curve to the other side. This makes a jerk and pushes the body forward. A series of such jerks makes the fish swim ahead. This is held by the fins of the tail. Fish also have other fins on their body which mainly help to keep the balance of the body and to keep directions while swimming. Did you ever notice that underwater are divers wear clean like slippers on their feet to help them move easily in water যাতে সিহঁতে সোনকালে যাব পাৰে মাছৰ দৰে চাবচোন এইটো হয়নে নহয় ফ'ৰটো ইনে how to snakes move. Have you seen a snake slider? Does it move straight? Snake have a long backbone. সিহঁতৰ এটা backbone আছে. They have many thin muscles. They are connected to each other even though they are far from one another. Muscle also interconnect the backbone, ribs and skin. The snake's body curved into many loops. আৰু সিহঁতৰ লুপত ভাগ হৈ থাকে পাৰ্টটো গোটেই পাৰ্টটো each loop of the snakes gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground. Since its long body makes many loops and each loop gives it this push, the snake moves forward very fast and not in straight line. We have learned about the use of bones and muscle for the movements of different animals. Pahali and Fojo have many questions in their sex about the different movements in animals. So must you be having many unanswered questions buzzing in your minds. So till here finish. other part, this part no, not important, just only telling some questions. So you write the question answer from this chapter. So question answer thank you.